Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So spring and summer is here and it's the time that everyone gets married. It's the perfect time, right? And there is many parties and weddings to go to, so I decided to create a beautiful summery wedding party makeup for you guys. Yes, you can wear this in any other occasions, but it will be perfect for summer weddings. It's a coral smoky eye, very chic but still very sexy, with coral lips and beautiful skin. Yes, I did the complete look for you guys from skin to eyes and lips, and I used new exciting products. I will leave the list down below to all the products that I used. You guys always ask me where I shop, and as you know, I get so many things at home for free from brands, which I love. But yes, I still do shop because there's always like specific products that I use all the time and that I keep using and rebuying. And Nordstrom is one of the stores that I always go back to. Like since I was young, I used to shop at Nordstrom. Not just for beauty but for clothes as well. I love this store because they are accessible, they're very organized, like the sections, it's so easy to find products, very well curated. Like I feel like they have the best brands there and the best products, so it's one of my favorite stores to shop. Again, not just for beauty but for clothes as well. And most of the products that I used in today's video you can find at nordstrom.com or in the store, but I'll leave the list down below and the links as well. And they do ship internationally, which is amazing. I think they ship to like 30 international countries. I get that question a lot because I have a lot of followers that don't live in the US and live in other countries. And I know you guys are always looking for stores that ship to you, which is very convenient, right? So let's get to this look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Super easy to create. This smoky eye I'm like addicted to right now because it goes with everything. It makes you look so pretty in photos especially. So let's get to it. Alright, first product we're gonna use is a strobe cream from MAC. We want our skin to glow, photogenic, so this will help us a lot. So just mix it with the brush. And this is actually the secret when you're wearing matte skin. And this is actually a secret when you're wearing matte finish foundation and still want your skin to be glowy and dewy. Just use a strobe cream, a highlighting cream under your foundation, okay? I look like a... Well, I look so white right now. That will go away. Next, I'm gonna use my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. And why I'm using this? Because it's the best foundation for me. For me, it's the best foundation for summer, for hot weather, for, you know, the crazy 90-degree weathers that we have during summer, humidity. This will stay on your skin the whole day. If you can do your makeup at 8 in the morning, at 10 at night, it will still be amazing. And it's very matte finish when you apply it. It will give you that glowy dewiness afterwards. So it's a perfect wedding foundation in my opinion. So I'm just gonna apply, and you don't need a lot of it. So I'm just gonna put some of it on my face. I actually have two colors of it and I like to mix them both. Now I'm a little bit tanned, so it's truly amazing, you guys. Now with the Beauty Blender sponge, I'm just gonna blend that. And the coverage on this foundation is also incredible. You will photograph so well. It's definitely the best foundation for weddings, parties, during the day or night, especially during the day on hot weather. You don't want to be melting, right? By the way, as you can see, I already did this eye on the left and we'll do the other eye together. So you see this foundation is super matte finish, but with the strobing cream, it gives like a highlighting, glowy looking skin. And I will leave the list of all the products that I'm using down below with links as well. When I shop online, I usually can get almost all of these things at Nordstrom, so I'll leave the link for you, okay? Next, I'm gonna use my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer under the eye and around the mouth. It's like my all-time favorite concealer from years ago. I still love it. It's so good. Okay, I'm gonna let my face set a bit and we're gonna move into eyes. And on today's makeup, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, which actually comes smelling like peach. It's like Oh my gosh, it's so delicious. It's so pretty, perfect for your everyday, for summer, especially spring and summer. It has warm colors, some colorful colors, but more on the neutral side. So I love this palette. It has beautiful, beautiful colors. And today we're gonna concentrate on peach, the peach tones, and these brown, warm browns, and this one as a highlighter. So I'm gonna start with the highlighting color, which is Nectar, and I'm gonna apply it under my brow. This palette is definitely a must-have this summer. So pretty. And then I'm gonna get this beautiful peachy color right here, which is Candied Peach, with a blending brush, and we're just gonna blend this all over your eye area. I could wear these colors like literally every day. And here on my eye, I'm just gonna smoke it out and pull it a little bit, creating like a cat eye motion. So smoke it out, okay? With the same color, I'm gonna smoke it under my eye as well. I'm gonna take a bit more dense brush and I will mix the peach and this very warm brown right here. Smoke it and again pull it out a little, kind of creates a line right here. Now I'm gonna take my 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil from Urban Decay, and the color is Lucky, which is more of a bronze color, and I'm gonna apply it on my waterline. It's gonna look super beautiful, and a little bit on the outer corner, and a little bit outside close to the lash root. Look how beautiful the eyes are, but so simple. And now, since we all cry at weddings, we need to use waterproof mascara. I always cry, always, especially when the bride is coming in, walking in. That moment for me is like everything. So I'm gonna use a waterproof mascara. One that I really like, which is also by Too Faced, is the Better Than Sex. Ooh, I guess. Which is a waterproof mascara. So I'm just gonna apply that on my top and bottom lashes, okay? So really do the bottom lashes because this is what's gonna make your eyes stand out. I never really do bottom lashes, but it's fierce when you do it because we're not doing eyeliner, so this is gonna really make your eyes stand out. You make it very smoky. And I'm gonna take my Marc Jacobs Dew Drops. It's like a gel highlighter. I'm gonna take a little tiny bit of it and I'm gonna apply it here on my inner corner, just as a highlight. And that's pretty much it for the eyes. Now I'm gonna move back to skin and I'm gonna bronze the skin with my NARS bronzing powder. I'm gonna start here on my chin. I always like to bronze my chin because it looks big in photos. And we're gonna start bronzing this under this cheekbone right here to give ourselves a nice contour. And the color I'm using from NARS is Seaside. A little bit on the forehead. And now a little bit of my Givenchy. So NARS has no shimmer at all, so it really just gives that contour. And I'm gonna use my Givenchy one, which is one of my favorite bronzers in the world. I've been using it for so long. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. I'm using color number 3. It's the Les Saison. I never say it right, but this will make you look so flawless. I love it on my everyday just by itself. Has a little tiny bit of shimmer, like just the right amount of shimmer. So we just warm up my skin a little. And I'm doing it with a fan brush, so it just applies a little bit of it. With the same bronzer, I'm gonna contour my nose a little tiny bit. Here on the sides. And just blend that a little. And now I'm gonna use my MAC Style blush. The color is Style. It's just like a corally, beautiful blush. And for highlighter, I'm gonna use my Dior Skin Nude Air luminizer. You guys, I am also obsessed with this, especially applying with my finger. It gives such a different effect than applying with a brush, because it's almost like you're getting a creamy finish. I don't know, it's amazing. So I like to highlight the high points of my face on top of the inner brow, nose, just tip of the nose, and of course this cheekbone right here. Are you getting this? OMG, look at that, you guys. And I love this highlighter because it has such a thin texture, so it's not heavy on your skin. Now the only thing we need to do is lips, and I'm gonna apply a neutral lip liner on. I'm gonna use Hazelnut Tea from Laura Mercier. Line those lips. And I have two colors here that I think are beautiful from YSL. You guys, these lip products from Saint Laurent is like, oh, it smells so good. The packaging is so pretty, by the way. I love pretty packaging. But it smells so incredible, like I want to eat it. Now, I don't know if I should do a brighter color, a brighter coral, or a more nude coral. What do you guys think? I'm like waiting for an answer from you guys, like I'm gonna get it. I might go with a nude coral. Let's see. Let's try both. Yeah, I think it's more chic because I'm already wearing gold. Definitely the nude one. And this color is, this is number 3. The other one is number 5. And I love that this is like, it gives me color, but it's more glossy. And this is the finished makeup. I am ready for a wedding party, for any kind of party actually, but this would be perfect for a summer wedding. You are very dolled up, done up, glam, but not so much because it's hot outside, it's humid. So you have just the right amount of products on your face and something that will hold. It will be great for humid days, hot days. You will be all set and you look beautiful. So I'm just gonna finish off with my Eau de Beauté Beauty Water from Caudalie, which will give me an extra glow, but will make my makeup stay all day long. And that's it, you guys. So this is the look. I really hope you liked it. I'm so addicted to the smoky eye. You guys will love it. It'll make you look so pretty. And again, the list of products will be down below. Like I said, you can find most of them at Nordstrom.com if you like shopping online and if you can't get access to certain products in store. And I always feel like we usually get more varieties online anyways, right? So yeah, thank you for watching, and thank you Nordstrom for partnering up with me in this video. So if you like the video, please rate it positively, and I'll see you guys next week. Stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye.